remember we were talking what it was like at 2 o'clock this afternoon. No snow or anything. Well, I want to show you what it looks like now. This is what, 5:22, so it's like 3 hours after I talked to you. Okay, check this out. The storm is here. And we're supposed to get, people are saying, about a foot of snow. So I don't know if you know how much that is. You have to check it out in metric, but we're supposed to be getting a lot, that's for sure. But you can see, like, my window is fogging up, so it doesn't help. But I mean, look at that. See how heavy it's coming down with the trees now and everything that are covered. Look at that, there was nothing on those a couple hours ago. It actually just started snowing, I would say, probably an hour ago, something like that. I know I'm not supposed to be doing this while I'm driving, but I'm on a side road. I'm going to shut it off before I get to a main road, okay? Just wanted to show you how drastically the weather changes here in Michigan. All right. Coming up on the main road here in a minute, so just wanted to show you. All right. Love you, baby.